I got a message on my app for my Ring doorbell saying that my battery was getting low. I've had this thing for 2.5 years and I haven't never changed the battery. I forgot it had a battery. But I'm gonna show you how to replace that battery. And this video right here of somebody replacing theirs, it's a clear video. You can see where he got his little orange screwdriver set that came with it. It's got that star remover there. I don't have one because I accidentally threw my box away with my charger and everything in it. Like I said, it's been 2.5 years and that battery lasts a long time. I'm gonna show you what I use. I got an old screwdriver right there and I got that little star remover right there. I don't know what they call it. So I'm gonna take it off with mine. So if you guys like me, you probably done threw yours away or misplaced it. So you may have to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and pick up one of these little sets. So you just turn it counterclockwise, those two screws at the bottom. And this part is very important right here. You want to lift up till you hear it click and then pull out. So if you try to pull out without lifting up, you're going to break those little tabs. It's 4 of them. They go in each one of those slots. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You see right there, those little slots. So once you do that, you just get your charger. Like I said, my little orange charger is gone. I had one in my truck I found, and this will only fit in one direction anyway. I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna have this upside down. It won't go in. So just turn it over and push it in. Then what you want to do is just plug it into your USB port and let it charge for probably about 4 hours. I don't know, maybe let it charge overnight. And you'll see the blue light right there. That lets you know it is being charged. Once you finish charging, you just put it back on. Like I said, I hadn't charged this thing in 2.5 years. I forgot I had a battery on it. But make sure you line those little slots up. And once you line them up, instead of it's lined up flush and you push down on it, you hear it not lock in place. And that's it. The only thing you need to do is get your little screwdriver, turn it clockwise to tighten it, and don't over tighten it. Those are little security screws to keep people from stealing it. Look like somebody been trying to steal mine anyway. It's all beat up. But if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.